What is affiliate marketing and how does it work in 2022? Affiliate marketing has been around for a long time. This is when a smaller business promotes the products of a larger business and get paid for a sale. But when the internet came along, it gave both the affiliate marketer and the merchant a whole new set of choices. Hey guys, I'm Bowie with Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income. This is where you can build a life of purpose, passion, and prosperity by way of creating a second income through affiliate marketing. Please subscribe to the channel for more second income solutions. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money off of something that you already love. Affiliate marketing is great because all affiliate has to do is promote other people's products, and you'll get paid every time someone reads your blog or visits the site and then clicks on the link to the merchant site. And if they buy something, you'll even make more money. As you watch this video, you'll learn some useful things about affiliate marketing, like finding the right product and the right affiliate network, and using your site to promote products and services. Affiliate marketing is a way for businesses and affiliates to work together to make money through marketing based on performance. In this type of marketing, a business gives an affiliate compensation for every customer or visitor that the affiliate brings in. When an affiliate works with a business, they can make money every time their marketing brings customers to the parent business. Affiliate marketing is a great way for businesses to make more money and make more sales. It is based on performance, which means that the affiliates promotes the business's products. Affiliate marketing is the single fastest growing industry on the internet. Commission Junction, Amazon, and ClickBank are just a few of the businesses running top affiliate programs, and they make huge amounts of money from affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a powerful, cost-effective way to reach customers. The businesses only have to pay when the sale goes through. Getting potential customers will be good for your business. There are 4 parts to how the affiliate marketing works. First is the merchant, also called the retailer or the major brand. This is where the offers that the affiliate can choose from are part of the network, which is also where the payments are made. The marketing work is done by the affiliate, who is also called the publisher. In the end, the customer buys the product or service, and the merchant and the affiliate both get a percentage of the commission. It is so easy. Affiliate marketing has a lot of benefits. Affiliates can make more than $100,000 a year. You can be your own boss. It can be very profitable. If you're one of the few who are determined to make a great living from home, affiliate marketing is a great choice. And compared to other businesses, it costs very little to start. Affiliate marketers don't have to make the products or services themselves, they just have to promote them. And it's much easier for an affiliate marketer to build off a web presence. And once your first affiliate business starts making money, you can start growing. Affiliate marketing don't need much maintenance once it gets up and running. Here's some more benefits why affiliate marketing is a good reason. You don't need any existing product or service. You don't need a team or employees. You don't have to deal with clients or customers. You don't have to deal with inventory. You don't have to deal with customer support or refunds. You can work from home or anywhere you choose, and it's beginners friendly. It's extremely low to zero startup costs, and you can start making passive income. This is considered the perfect business for newbie and beginners. So right now, I'm offering you a special free report. Make money online made easy. Easy and proven techniques to make money online. Click the link in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe for more Second Income Solutions. And Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income.